Hello. My name is Green Envy, a regular guy kind of superhero in search of a really good electric car. And this is Carbon Footprint.
I am really pissed off because we have not made any progress so far in our quest for a really good electric car. What are we doing on this train?
We are going to Missouri to attend the first electric vehicle conversion convention, which can be shortened to EVCCO, and if you cannot remember the whole name, remember EVCON.
With a name like that, who could resist? Is this going to be like our trip to Woodstock back in 1969?
Not exactly. Woodstock was a music festival that turned into a muddy expression of social change. This convention will have less music but a lot more wine, as well as classes on how to build electric cars.
So will the Chevy Volt, the car that the U.S. government helped build with a bailout of $50 billion, going to be at the convention to show that America is still leading the way?
Not exactly. General Motors only sold 928 Volts through February 2011, and most of the sales were in California.
California is where my mother, Mother Nature, has a second home. Unfortunately, her mortgage is underwater. Anyway, why don't we just take this train to California and watch all the Chevy Volts that live there?
Because the Chevy Volt is not really an electric car. It is a gasoline engine plus some expensive batteries.
Do you mean that the U.S. government spent $50 billion and did not even get a real electric car?
Yes. I know that is a disappointment to you. But that is why we must go to Missouri. We cannot rely on the government.
So we are going to Missouri because the government cannot get the big car companies to build really good electric cars even if they give them $50 billion.
Correct. We must do it ourselves. That is why a convention of builders is so important.
Okay, I understand. I am glad we are on this train. Even if it is an Amtrak government train, at least it is electric. I will call Mother Nature and tell her to lay off Missouri until after the convention.
I know that Jack and Brain at EV will appreciate that. It is time to make our own electric cars. This EVCON gathering will point the way.